Welcome everyone to a brand new vlog, and this is a special little exclusive, different kind of vlog today because we are here at Royal Palm, which is a fantastic complex on Los Cristianos, and we're here for an exclusive look at a 2-bedroom apartment that is for sale. Now Lisa, who I've dealt with buying my own apartments, got in touch with me. She said, would you be interested in having a look at this apartment? You could put it on your videos. I said, yes, let's go and do it, because we don't often get to see 2 bedrooms on Royal Palm. They're always very busy, they're always rented, there's not many often for sale. So I wanted to go in, have a little look around, and I think it'd be interesting for you, a bit of the place in the sun style, to see what you get for your money, what you could do with it, would you change anything. We'll go and have a look before it hits the market. So this one isn't on the market yet. So this is an exclusive little look. I will give you the price at the end as well. And I'll give you Lisa's contact details because she's fantastic. If you needed anything, you can get in touch with Lisa. She's brilliant. But let's head on and have a little look. It's on the front side of the complex here on Royal Palm. A lot of you will be familiar with Royal Palm. It's a fantastic touristic complex. So these are all fully legitimate and legal to rent out on holiday lets. So it's actually on the front road, just down towards the bottom, which is nice, not too far up the hill. And you will have seen this before on my channel before. My dad's got apartments on here. I've got a studio on here as well that I rent out on short-term rental as well. So with everything that's going on with you know, property prices and housing crisis and things, it's nice to know that what we're doing is legit. You're able to do it. I'm happy to rent it out on holiday lets because that is the purpose of the complex. It's a touristic complex. So you've got that in mind. Let's go and have a little look at it, tell you the price, tell you your options, and we can have a little discussion in the comments. It's going to be interesting to see what exactly you can get in Los Cristianos for the money for a 2-bedroom with incredible views. Wait till you see the views this has got. Okay everyone, so we are on the back side of Los Cristianos here. You've got the free street parking and then you've got the private parking here inside the complex. And this is us, number 84. Now I've just opened up and it does have some beautiful views. So I'll give you a full little tour around. This is a 2-bedroom. So the first thing you come to is your bathroom. It's a really nice standard, simple, clean bath shower. And then you've got obviously your utility cupboard here with your washing machine and everything, your boiler. And then look how open and airy and bright that is with the sea view already coming through. So off to your left is your first bedroom. They've got it set up with 2 singles. Okay, it's just very simple, clean, bright. We've got the nice windows. So these are the wooden style windows. So eventually you might want to replace these to the aluminium style, but they are solid. You can paint them up nice. No lick of paint would do them wonders. And then you've got your wardrobe space in here. Nice. Now currently the owners don't rent this out on holiday let. But you very well can do. So you have the option of joining in and renting this out. This apartment would get £625 a week. You would get for this £675 a week in Christmas New Year weeks. So a little bit more over the winter. And then on your standard week, £625 a week. That's not euros, that's pounds as well. So your kitchen's got everything all spot on. I like the view from the kitchen, look at that. So you're making your breakfast and then you've got those sea views out there. Is very nice. It's very bright, I would say, with the furniture, the way they've kept it, the way they've gone colour scheme wise, it's nice and bright. And then just off to your left, you've got another owner's cupboard here, so you can have a little lock on it if you want to keep that as your little owner's cupboard, which is what Dad does with his. And then you've got your master bedroom here. This is gorgeous, because you've got the double doors. These are aluminium, so they look wooden, but they are aluminium, so they've been replaced. That's a good few thousand upgrade. And then look at that, you can open the doors and step straight out onto the balcony if you want to. We'll save that view for later. But yeah, it's your big master bedroom. Everything is all set. It's got everything it needs to rent it out straight away or stay in it straight away. There really isn't many upgrades you'd need to make. You could maybe change some of the furniture if you wanted to, but in general, it's very nice already the way it is. 2 big comfy sofas, TV on the wall. Maybe you'd bang a little smart TV up there, something a little bit bigger, but I do like the way it's wall mounted, because a lot of the apartments on here, they have them in the corner or on a stand. It's quite nice to have it up there on the wall. You've got your safety gates again, That's another couple of thousand upgrade done. So the safety gates and then the aluminium doors, they're a big cost. When you've just got the standard wooden doors, it is costly to upgrade that. And then out here you've got quite a big balcony. So down here is one of the 2 pools on Royal Palm. This is what we call the cold pool. So this one's nice. You've got your free sunbeds to use down here. But look at the view. The view is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see the Paso Vela Centre here. Los Cristianos Harbour. Beautiful. And then you've got your dining table. You can add some couple of sunbeds here if you want to. Some nice chairs to sit out with. And then again, your canopies. Always want to make sure you've got them. So you've got the canopies here, and you've also got the privacy canopy there as well if someone's up on that upper balcony. Very, very nice. I want to know your opinions down in the comments. If you would go for it. Well, first of all, you've got to guess the price. 2 bedrooms on Royal Palm, prime location, stunning view. You can guess the price. This is an exclusive look, remember, so this hasn't even hit the market yet. So it's quite an exclusive little look at this one. And you've got stunning views. Your sunset would be going down right there. You can see Gomera just there. So your sun would be going down around here. You get some lovely sunsets from up here. You could even put a sofa bed in here if you wanted to. So it could sleep even more if you wanted. So yeah, considering you've got that option of some rental income, if you're not here, you bought it to come and use, then you're not here and you want to rent it out while you're not using it, you've got quite a good income coming in there, £600 odd a week. It's not bad, it does add up. And then you come, enjoy it, use it, you're not going to pay for accommodation while you're here, then it goes back on again, or you can come and just have it for yourself, come as you go, as and when you want to Tenerife and enjoy it. That's the only downside with dads, is he can't just pop over anytime he feels like, because they're always rented. So it swings and roundabouts. He loves having the money coming in, and it helps pay for some holidays and things and bits and bobs, and covers the bills, community fees. But then he doesn't have the flexibility of just popping over when he feels like. So double-edged sword with that. But even if it's not something you would be able to buy or anything like that, it's still fun to get involved in the comments if you could. Obviously it's quite a big budget, but if you could, hypothetically, would you rent it out short term, get some money in, and then come and use it, block off your weeks when you want them? Or would you keep it just for yourself, do what you want to it, it stays pristine, how you've left it, and you come when you want, you see some cheap flights, jump on the plane, over you come. But yeah, Royal Palm itself, very reputable complex. As I mentioned earlier, it's fully legal, fully legit on Royal Palm. It's got its license, it's got its insurances, it's got 2 pools, the free sunbeds, it's gated. So we spent a lot of money the last few years putting all the gates in, looking after the pool, the lifeguards, making sure the complex was secure. So there's been a lot of upgrades, and they do keep the complex in good condition. So that's another factor. You're on a very nice complex with it, close to everything, down to the beach, 10-minute walk. But yeah, I'm impressed, and it is nice to get a little exclusive look before it hits the market. It's nice to jump in and have a look, especially the view. It's the view that makes it, isn't it? Look at it, absolutely gorgeous. Watch the ferries coming and going, the boats coming by, sunsets. It's gorgeous. You can even do a bit of people watching down by the pool. Very nice. So I want your guesses in the comments to the price, because I'm going to reveal that in a minute. So get guessing what you would do with it. Would you change anything? Would you change a little bit of the decor, or would you keep it as it is? Bright, holiday vibes, fresh, clean. I think this colour scheme really helps because it looks clean. That's the big thing. If you're renting it out, you want the apartment to look clean. And sometimes some of the furniture you see, I'm like, it's clean, but it makes it look almost a bit dirty. So they've got the right colours. Kitchen's lovely. You wouldn't need to change any of that. That's all been done over the last few years. All nice new kitchen cupboards. That's what Dad could do with doing in his. I know he's looking into maybe doing that. Again, that's a few thousand to do that you're not going to have to touch. And if anyone is interested in any apartment, but in particular this one with this little exclusive look, and if you do like this sort of video, I'll try and see if Lisa can get us into a few others before they hit the market and things like that. If you enjoy this type of video, this is a nice little bit of fun for me because I enjoy seeing it. But Lisa is amazing. Got Laura in my head. Lisa is fantastic. Lisa is the amazing estate agent that sold me mine, what was it, 3 years ago now, 4 years ago, 3 years? So yeah, Lisa's fantastic, very professional. She's been on the island for 24 years. She's spot on. Not quite the same experience I got when I bought recently. So I wish I'd have gone through Lisa last time, but that wasn't possible. But with Lisa here, she's fantastic. If I was doing anything again, I would use Lisa, and that's why I'm happy doing the video, happy recommending Lisa. If you've got any questions with selling, buying, you're interested in this one in particular, which I think is fantastic, I'll leave Lisa's number in the description. You can get in touch with her. She's fantastic. I really do like Lisa. She's lovely, lovely, lovely lady. So, thoughts then, guys? The price, I know you're all itching for me to reveal. So the price for this one, 2 bedrooms, with that possibility of rental income, don't forget, that bumps up the price. When you're on a fully licensed touristic complex and you can legally make a good income from it, that bumps the price up to a 2 bedroom somewhere else on a residential, because you can make money from it. So the price for this one, exclusive, before it hits the market, is 440,000. Now let me know your thoughts on that in the comments. That's euros, 440,000 euros. There could be a little bit of wiggle room, bear that in mind. And if you are going to be interested or anything, speak to Lisa, mention Knightstrider, tell her I said to give you a bit of a deal or a bit of something on it. But I think it's really nice. It was interesting for us to see. I think if you like this style of video, we'll try and do some more of these just for fun. It's interest, isn't it? The only one little thing I'd maybe change, being honest, is the tiles. I think it'd be nice to put some of those nice shiny tiles on, like my dad's got in his, which again isn't much. It's not a huge surface to tile that, and the tiles are quite big, so that's only going to cost you probably 1,000, maybe less. Wouldn't cost you a huge amount to tile that and make it nice. And that would make a big difference, a bit of a big upgrade. Other than that, it's ready to go. You could literally get this, sign it up, put it on the website, bump, done. Which is what we've done with the one I've just moved out of. The 1 bedroom I was in, tidied it up, smartened it up, painted it throughout, did some upgrades, pictures, bang, bump, done on the website. And people are already in it already. So that's how quick you can do it. Get it, go to the office, sign it up, bump, it's on the rental market, you're getting money straight away. So thoughts, please let me know. I will leave Lisa's contact details in the description. Some of you might already know Lisa. She's been here for a long time and has been in the property game for a long time as well. And she's always straight up and honest with everything. When I bought mine, everything was, it's going to be this, it's going to be that. Look, you've got this downside, but you've got this upside. There's no, trying to swindle you or anything, which is what I like. Got to be straight down the line. If I'm involved with anyone on this channel or business-wise, they are straight down the line, just like me. I wouldn't put them on otherwise. So, thoughts, very, very nice. If I had the money I was looking to invest, or I'd definitely put it on the rental market. If I wasn't here, I would be renting it out and getting some money from it, because it will rent like crazy. 2 bedrooms are very, very in demand. 2 bedrooms with a view are even more in demand. So this, as a family apartment for a holiday, is blob on. The parking right outside, dead easy. 2 swimming pools, lifeguards. So for me, it would be straight on there. And your 2 beds are very, very popular on Royal Palm, because there isn't a huge amount of them. 3 bedrooms even harder. So, thoughts? If you have enjoyed the video, do please hit the thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe. Get in touch with Lisa if you've got any questions in general anyway. She's fantastic and she will help you out. And mention Knightstrider. Try and get a bit of money off whatever it is you're doing. I'll always try. I've said to Lisa, I'm going to tell them to get on you and try and get a good deal. So she will help you with that anyway. She's not the type to try and not do it. She'll always try and get you the best deal. So there we go. It's a lovely family that own this one as well. And they have looked after it. It wasn't on the rental market, so it's spot on. And again, you don't have to rent it. You could just keep it like they have for their own little holidays. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know if we should do more of these videos. Thoughts down in the comments. Stride on.